Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around.
Hi, it's me, Angharad, from Angharads Live. And I can't wait. In today's video, we're going to be sharing with you all a vegan roast recipe. We really hope that you all enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much to Lindsi for sharing with us your amazing roast recipe that you used to have on your YouTube channel.
And we all enjoyed eating it when we were in Barnsley, when we celebrated our Christmas together a month early.
It was so lovely that we had an amazing time.
It was lovely to be with our friends and have that Christmas early and just all had such a fantastic time.
We did. And if you haven't seen the videos from when we were in Barnsley, we'll link the Barnsley playlist up there.
I think that's a great idea.
Should we go back in time, Mum?
I think that's a great idea.
I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why
we had some stuffing left over from the stuffing video. If you haven't seen that video, we'll link it up there. We're really excited to make the roast now, right, Mum?
We are.
So what we've got left, we're going to make a vegan roast. It's going to be great. First of all, we need 2 packets of sausages with skin taken off. For us, we're using vegan Richmond. Now pop the sausages in the bowl of your choice and add seasonings or flavours you'd like to. And smush them down. But for us, we're going to keep the flavours the same. Look at that. Looks like you've had fun with that.
I did.
High five.
Again. Right, so.
Do you want to hug, Lauren?
I'm okay, thank you.
Right,
Is he? Gonna hug?
I've left.
Aww.
Oh, that one.
Oh. Just going to pop it to the side now.
And then we're going to get some cling film.
We're now going to pop the sausage meat onto the cling film.
We want to press it down so it's kind of like about half an inch thick.
Just wet my fingers with a bit of cold water. It's perfect.
Helps stop the sticking.
It does. It's brilliant. That's really helpful.
Right, that's thin enough now. Because we need it to be even, but so
Yes.
that it's a nice even layer around your stuffing. So
we're going to make the stuffing now into a long cylinder to match the shape of the sausage meat. That's right. It's all there, isn't it?
of course it is. Right, so you need it probably so that it's nearly half thickness of that. If that makes
okay,
sense.
yeah. So just smush it down a bit more.
Smush it a little bit more.
Like that.
Yeah.
Now that's done, it's time to roll it. There.
Yeah.
And then the other side.
Yeah, just squash it on a bit. That's it. And then you're going to remove that cling film side and you're going to bring the other side up in the exact same way.
Make sure to roll it nice and tight and encase the ends. Now time to pop the roast into the pan to poach for about 40 minutes.
Yeah.
Making sure the water level stays perfect.
Yep. And then we'll pop that on.
Now it's poached, we're taking all the cling film off. We're getting the glaze ready. Some bramble jelly on top for us.
Yep. But it can be glazed with anything. Yep. And you're going to spread it all over.
We're going to pop this in the oven now for 10 minutes at a time at 170 degrees Celsius and bring it out for leather glaze.
Okay, good cross.
Time for the second glazing.
Nah, it'll start sticking after the first layer. So.
Perfect.
It's back in then for another 10 minutes.
Smells amazing. Ready for the third glazing? Oh, it smells incredible, doesn't it?
It really does.
Now going for the final 10 minutes, then take it out of the oven to cover it with foil for it to rest while the rest of the dinner's cooking. Out of the oven now, time to transfer it to the plate and then try it.
And then try it. Cheeky try.
Yes please.
Here we go. And then we'll cover this with foil until the rest of the dinner. So.
Here it is. How's it look?
It looks amazing. It smells wonderful too.
Well, it really does. That's so delicious. The glaze gives us a wonderful flavour too.
It really does.
Nice crisp top too with the glaze on it. And the stuffing's so fluffy in the middle too. All the flavours, it's an incredible roast.
Should we cover it up now?
We really hope that you all enjoyed the roast recipe. It really was so tasty, especially with the glaze too.
Oh, that glaze was amazing.
It really was. And the stuffing in the middle too.
It all went so well together.
Oh, it really did. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know if you're going to try making the roast recipe.
I think that'd be lovely to hear. Or your stuffing ball recipe as well.
We'd also love to know what you enjoy making at Christmas time.
I think that's a great question.
We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye! Take care! And bye from Sarah too!